Hi there. I wanted to record a quick video on how to install Transformer Lab on your own computer. Right now, Transformer Lab has two main components. There's the API server that runs on your machine learning computer, and there's the GUI that runs on your regular desktop computer, which talks to the API of the server. We're going to install both components today. In the future, Transformer Lab may have a simpler way to install where you just have to install the desktop component, but right now we're going to do both separately. So the first step is let's download the desktop component. So go to transformerlab.ai in a browser, click on Download Now, and find the binary that's appropriate for your computer. I'm running here an M1 Mac, and so I need the Mac Silicon version. And it'll start downloading when I click on that link. Once the download is here, I can drag and drop it to my Applications folder. When I go to Applications, I can click on it, and the first time I run it, it might show up a pop-up, which I can just say OK to. There you go. Now Transformer Lab, the GUI part, is running on my computer. But it doesn't have any server to talk to. And so let's do the second part of the install by installing this server component. To do that, go back to Transformer Lab and click on the Documentation section. And in the Getting Started section, there's an Install and Run section. The first step is to get the repo on the server that's going to be doing the machine learning. So I'm going to open up a terminal. I'll SSH into a computer that I know has a GPU on it, and I'll copy that and paste that first command. There you go. Now you have the Transformer Lab API code installed on your computer, but you still haven't installed it. So I can do cd transformer lab-api and then run the init.sh command, and it'll actually install all of the dependencies. I've done that work already on my computer, and so let's just go to a folder that has all of those installed already. So the last step is to actually run the server command that starts up the server. So I'll copy and paste that and run it. And what you see is there's an error. The reason there's an error is because I'm in the base Conda environment. Transformer Lab uses Conda to separate out Python environments, and so you have to start up the Conda environment that's appropriate for Transformer Lab before you try to run the server. So I'll run that command once again. And there you go, the server is running. So let's now connect to it. I'll copy and paste the IP address of the server, go to Transformer Lab, put it in the server URL section, and leave the server port to 8000. And there you go, the GUI is now talking to the server. And I can begin an experiment and start using Transformer Lab.